back to the channel. So in today's video, I wanted to go over another plugin from Retouch4Me. Now, in previous videos, I had reviewed their skin retouching plugins, which have become quite a necessity to my workflow recently in Photoshop. Now, in today's video, I wanted to go over, let's just jump into their website. I'm going to go over their, it's the Eye Vessels plugin from Retouch4Me. So once you retouch the skin, and the eyes are probably the next thing you're going to struggle on a little bit, and they do take a lot of time to retouch out these sort of blood vessels in the eyes. So this is the page on their website for their plugin. You can download a demo for this and you can try it out. I think there's a watermark on the final export. So this is a couple of examples on their site. So it really does what it says on the box. It's a before and after, and it's retouching out all of those fine veins, blood vessels in the eyes. So really in today's video, I wanted to show you how easy it is and see how simple it is really on one of my images, and to see if it's something you can slot into your workflow too. So let's jump over to Photoshop, and I've already got one of my images lined up. So this is an image I shot a couple of years ago, and as you can clearly see, there are visible red veins in the eyes, or blood vessels. So over here on the right, we have the Retouch4Me panel. So as I said, I'd previously gone over the heal, the dodge and burn, the portrait volumes, and what else had I gone over? Skin tones. That was the other ones I've had access to. So yeah, just for clarity, I have been given access to this Eye Vessels plugin by Retouch4Me. They've very kindly given it to me for free to try out and to show you. So yeah, here it is on the Retouch4Me panel. And let's just go ahead and enable this and see if it does what it says on the box easily. So we need to highlight that by checking this box on the left, and then we just hit run. And then within a few seconds, it will process and analyze that image. It will see where the eye is. And as you can see, it's already done a pretty good job taking out those blood vessels. Now, of course, you don't really want to take out all the redness because the eye's going to look a little bit, dare I say, eggy. And I don't think that's particularly flattering, especially in an angle like this. This was for a contact lens shoot. And when you've got a lot of white in the eye, if that was pure white, I think it would be too detracting from what's going on in the actual story of the image, so to speak. So once that plugin has run, you can then go over to where it has created a layer, and then you can check and decheck that just to see the before and after. Let's zoom in and have a little look. So as you can see, there are a few fine lines still there, and I quite like that. It keeps it really natural. So there we go, before and after. And as I said before, that creates it on a new layer. So you have the option of then taking some of those blood vessels out, taking more out, or you can use that mask to then reapply some of those blood vessels if you feel that's relevant to your image. Anyway, I think that really just about covers it. It's a really simple one today. I do have a discount code for this plugin. I'll leave that in the description below. And I'll also leave a link to the previous videos for Retouch4Me and the other plugins I went over. So yeah, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you would like to see more of this content, and ring that bell if you'd like to be notified of future videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye for now.